crochet hairstyle I've done in years, and I'm absolutely in love. This hair is so light, so versatile, and it's so cute. I love the color, and I actually think this hairstyle is going to last more than a few days. Normally when you do crochet hairstyles, they get so raggedy looking so quickly. It's just always like a temporary solution. But this, chef's kiss. Okay, so you can get this hair on Amazon. It costs 25 USD. It comes with 8 of these. I don't know how many loops are in here, but I'd say between 20 to 30 little pre-looped twists are in here. I use 7. I have a pretty big head. I use only 7. I was actually surprised because I thought, is this enough? Am I gonna need more? Do I have to order more? Because it's not gonna take 2 days to get to where I am. It comes with a crochet hook in the pack, so if you've never done crochet in your hair before, you don't have to worry about getting that. It comes with it, and it also includes some little jewels for your hair. It wasn't really my aesthetic, so I didn't keep them, but what would be nice would be like if you had some gold ringlets or like the little clips that go onto this kind of hair. It was really quick to put in. The hardest thing about this hairstyle is doing the braid down pattern, and you can do any braid down pattern that you want. If you plan to wear the hair up, then you're gonna need to do the back in a way that allows you to have more of the ends of your keynotes in the center of your hair. So you'd want to do some going up this way. Because I want to use my hair or wear my hair down a lot, I'm going to, or I have keynote them this way and then going back, so the ends of my hairnose end at the back here, and so there's a bump there. So it's not going to be like the smoothest up hairstyle for me, but I did it around the perimeter in a way that it's really not gonna be that obvious or that ugly. I hope you saw it. Yeah, so that's basically it for this hair. I don't know how long it will actually last. I'm thinking it's gonna last a while because unlike other crochet hairstyles, it actually does have twist. You know, it's contained. It's not just gonna be like getting messy. Obviously we want to make sure to give it the longest lifespan by tying it down or putting on a bonnet, silk or satin bonnet, before going to bed. That will alleviate the frizz, and you know, I'm thinking that maybe if you take really good care of this hair, that you should be able to take them out and reuse them at a later date. I'm all about budgeting and looking good on a dime. So if you can reuse the hair, perfect. If not, then I think you got your $25 worth, right? What else can you ask for? But if you're looking for a quick, easy, versatile hairstyle that most people can do, then go ahead and get this hair. And I'm gonna insert some clips of me putting it in. It's not too complicated. The Kano pattern was not complicated at all. And if you want to see more clips of me actually doing it, you can go to my TikTok. I'll leave my name on the screen right here. You can follow me on TikTok and check it out. You can also go from my TikTok account to my link in my bio to actually get the same exact hair. And let me check the color that I used. It's actually in the color OT30. Yeah. So any questions, comments, please leave them down below for me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. We want to build a community over here. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.